Learn with Dad's YouTube channel. Let's learn together. In this embedded C question series, here the question is what is static storage class and its use cases. So any guesses from your side? If yes, then please comment that in comment box. Now see the answer. So static is a type of storage class. It follows block scope, means if I am defining some static variable into some function or if in some block, then its scope will be limited to that particular block only. If static variable not initialized with any value, then by default is defined with the zero value. Means some variable we have defined and we haven't assigned any value to that static variable, then by default it gets 0. It always store in data segment. It retains its value during function calls. For example, add is a function in that I am using some variable static int I, and I have assigned some value as a 10 initially, and in function the value of I gets incremented, and if I'm calling the same function add, then the value will not again assign as a 10 to that particular variable. Okay, so that is nothing but the application of the static variable. Now use case is static variable is used where we want to count number of times function called. So if I want to count number of times the function is called, then we can define one variable as a count. We can increment it at the end of function. Okay, and we define that particular count variable into that function as a 0. Again, once and when that particular function is called, the value of count automatically get incremented and it retains its value throughout the function call, and at the end we can get the value that is nothing but the number of times we call the function. It also uses to count the frequency of the function. Means like for example we want to check in the 1 minute how many times the function is called, then we can use a timer and we can use one counter is nothing but the variable so the into the function, and based on the count value we can judge that yes, this function is called 10 times per minute or 100 times per minute. So that we can do with the help of the static variable. So this is all the use cases of static variable. So thanks for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, share this video with you and your friends and family. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.